This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, front side impact airbags, air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, automatic locking wheel hubs, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Andy Mohr Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohrford.com.